Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the lint filter in your LG dryer. Now, to do this, of course, it's not going to require any special tools. In fact, no tools at all. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So some of the main reasons you're going to be removing and reinstalling that lint filter is just for normal cleaning. But over time, those lint filters will wear out. They'll start to get thin, and some of the strands will actually break, which will start to allow dust to move through the filter, pretty well negating the whole point of having a lint filter. So the first thing you go to do is just open up the door, reach in down to the very front section of that dryer drum, just take hold of your lint filter and just lift straight up and out. If it's really full of lint, there's going to be some that's going to fall down inside, and you may need to clean that out at some point. But otherwise, it's just a matter of a straight pull, and you can take that filter out. Reinstallation is just as easy. You're just going to bring that filter into place. You'll look and you'll notice maybe a couple arrows on it showing the front, so you know which way it goes as far as being inserted into the cavity. And then just put it into place, slide it down in until it's completely well seated, and then you're all set. You just close up the door and you're ready to go. It's just that easy to remove and replace the lint filter in your LG dryer.